Monitoring students under school at home, a challenge for government schools. Panchkula Government School calls kids, holds classes amid COVID pandemic. Delhi government schools will have freedom to choose CBSE ICSE boards, says Manish Sisodia. School reopening news. No, when will schools reopen in India? Intrusive queries on school admission forms upset parents. A 17-year-old high school student developed an app that records your interaction with police when you're pulled over and immediately shares it to Instagram and Facebook. Free protests spread to other private schools. Delhi private schools send high bills for fees. Show cause notice to teachers for being absent from school. Online classes in PMC run schools affected as teachers engaged in COVID-19 duty. Karnataka SLC result 2020 KSEEP 10th result to be declared today. Good morning and a warm welcome. You watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN and the daily stories are. With textbooks being distributed and video lessons for class 1 to 12 made available via Kalvi Tholai Kachi programs on TV and online, government school students are slowly beginning to adapt to the new norm of school at home or Vitupalli. However, unlike online classes by aided and private schools, lack of proper routine and monitoring by teachers makes schooling from home a huge challenge for government schools. A government school in Sector 20 was found holding classes on Friday in a clear violation of the norms to keep educational institutions closed owing to the coronavirus pandemic. Children from class 6 to 12th carrying school bags were made to attend classes in uniform in Sanskriti Modern Senior Secondary School. The principal, however, claimed the children were called to fill incomplete forms and documents. Delhi government schools will have freedom to choose CBSE ICSE boards, says Manish Sisodia. Following the recommendations of the National Education Policy recently released by the Education Ministry, Delhi school education is set up for big changes, Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia said. By next year, Delhi will get its own education board, the minister said. However, the board will not be an imposition on government schools. Steps have been taken to unlock, but there is no confirmed date for reopening the schools. According to some media reports, the Indian government is planning to reopen the schools in a phased manner from September 1 and November 14, 2020. However, some states are against the decision due to the safety of the students. Pregnancy details: weight of a child at birth, the first word he or she spoke. Parents have accused some of the city's private schools of asking questions that breach their privacy. Apart from the educational qualification of grandparents, some of the questions in the admission form seek to know from parents their genetic test results or history of any form of disability in the family. A 17-year-old New Jersey high school student has developed an Android app that allows users to record their interactions with police and then notify a loved one or share it to a social media like Instagram. Aditya Agarwal told Business Insider that he was compelled to create the app in part after a close friend of his, who is black, was pulled over without a cause. The ongoing tussle between private school management and parents over the alleged charging of fees for no activities during COVID-19 pandemic has spread to other schools. On Saturday, several aggrieved parents protested at Hingna's St. Xavier schools, accusing the management of looting them in such a crisis. MNS leader Hemant Gadkari earlier led a delegation of parents to meet the principal at Budibori International School on the same issue. Delhi private schools send high bills for fees. Parents of private school students were quite surprised to receive demands for charges other than tuition fees because they were under the impression that only tuitions will be billed as ordered in April for the lockdown period by Delhi government. The order instructed educational institutions not to levy charges such as development or annual fees. A village school management board in Nagaland's Phek district has issued show cause notice to 8 teachers for being absent from duty since March end. One of them is the officiating headmaster of a government school in the village to respond within 7 days for absence from duty since March end. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, as schools are conducting classes online, many teachers from Pune Municipal Corporation schools are still on COVID-19 duties and are unable to conduct classes. There are 332 PMC-run schools in the city with 2,000 teachers and 85,000 students are studying in such schools which are currently closed due to the pandemic. Suresh Kumar, the Minister of Primary and Secondary Education of Karnataka, had on Friday announced that the Karnataka Class 10th results will be declared on Monday, August 10 at 3 pm. Where to check the 2020 scores? kseeb.car.nic.in, carresults.nic.in, examresults.net, indiaresults.com. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.theenn.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.